So, this is going to be a long format video. मैं ज़रा दो तीन चीज़ें चेक कर लेता हूँ. Let me slow down the fan and maybe I fix a few things. Anyways, hi. So, my name is Azim Shah and this is my very first YouTube video. A long format YouTube video. Those who don't know who I am, I used to be a photographer and somehow I got carried away with my work and now I'm in education system. Anyways, the reason behind making long format videos is कि मुझे लगता है short format videos में आप जो कहना चाहते हो वो आप कह नहीं पाते. And for me, since मैंने जहाँ पे काम किया है, जितने सालों काम किया है, it's almost 15 years now since I'm working in education system. तो उसमें very renowned organizations in the whole Pakistan, and one of them is in KPK based and the other one is international level. Currently जहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ, for those who know, they already know. I cannot name those organizations. You can search them. ठीक है? You can even search my name. That you'll find it somewhere. ठीक है? Not that important. Anyways, important बात यह है कि I wanted to make long format videos because I think I owe it to the world. And जो चीज़ें मैंने आज तक अपनी ज़िंदगी में सीखी हैं, and I would want everyone to learn from those things. I would love to share those things that I used while I was recording videos, taking pictures. I know मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया हूँ, थोड़ा नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही लेट हो गया. Almost I would say 7 to 8 years लेट हो चुका हूँ कि मुझे लोग काफ़ी टाइम कहते थे कि यार असीफ you should start making vlogs, videos बनाओ. ये तब की बात है जब इरफान जुनेजो ने अपना काम स्टार्ट किया था. इसी तरह हमारा एक और दोस्त है, his name is Hussain and I really love his work. पता नहीं इस बंदे को क्या मसला है, काम स्टार्ट कर लेता है फिर छोड़ देता है. शुक्र है आफ्टर सो मेनी स्टार्टअप्स एंड बिजनेसेस एंड जॉब्स ये बंदा कहीं पर टिक गया है. शुक्र है. थैंक यू सो मच हुसैन फॉर नॉट स्विचिंग दिस जॉब नाउ or whatever this business right now, because yeah, you don't need to. Anyways, there's another person who I really love working with and he's a really good friend of mine. I'll share his link in the bio. होता है कि टाइम स्टैम्प होता है जो भी है. Bilal, if you're listening to this video, so thank you so much for the very first thing that you did for me. He's one of those reasons जिसकी वजह से मैं आज जहाँ पे हूँ. तो thank you so much Bilal for that. He thought, because मुझे अभी भी याद है, I still remember that day when me and Bilal we were sitting in a place near it was called Peshawar 2.0 base camp. So me, him and one of our other friend Uzair Khatak, we were sitting and we were like कि हमने डिग्रियाँ ले ली हैं, MBA और MS और BBA जो भी डिग्रीज हैं, हमने डिग्रियाँ ले ली हैं यार, हम इतने बेकार है कि हमें कोई चांस ही नहीं दे रहा. And believe me, I still have those photographs. If I find it, I'll definitely put it on the video. I was exhausted and lying in the sofa and they took a picture of it, and 2 days later I got a call from the first organization where I worked. They said that we need someone who can teach photography. So that was it when I got a chance, because Bilal referred me. पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ था, लेकिन बिलाल ने जो भी किया बहुत अच्छा किया. थैंक यू सो मच बिलाल. एंड इसके अलावा फिर स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली चीज़ें सारी कंबाइन होना स्टार्ट होगी. व्हेन यू गेट योर फर्स्ट ब्रेक थ्रू, दैट इज़ वेयर यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग योर सेल्फ, वेयर यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग देयर इज मोर इनटू लाइफ देन जस्ट lying in bed or doing nothing. So yeah, होता है इस तरह. खैर anyways, reason behind making long format videos is के I think maybe this might help me in the long run, talking to you people in front of the camera, even though I'm still working on lots of things, and me making a few videos on weekly basis helps me get out of it a bit of frustration, because when you're working in an environment which is constantly draining you and making you feel like कि काम ज़रूरी है, आपकी ज़िंदगी इतनी ज़रूरी नहीं है, we need you to do your job and we don't want you to live your life. So yeah, this is me living my life for a while and talking in front of the camera and speaking about some frustrations throughout my week or a month. It helps me a lot. तो at least कोई तो सुन रहा है, ठीक है ना? तो अपने सवालात और जवाबात ज़रूर दीजिएगा. Whatever you want to talk about, I'm here to listen. Not to listen, to see your questions, and we can talk about those things. So yeah, it's an open forum for everyone. So like, share and subscribe. Khamakha. And yeah, हमेशा की तरह आपका सुनने का शुक्रिया. अल्लाह हाफिज़.